If you've come to our website and you're watching this video, it's very likely that you or a loved one has been arrested and you're feeling very overwhelmed, probably unfamiliar with this criminal justice territory. If you're like most of our clients, you've never been in trouble before. And you're wondering, how is this criminal charge going to turn my life upside down? And in fact, it probably will for a while. But it's important that you've come this far to begin the search. How do you get help? Because there are critical things that happen in the first few hours, even particularly the first few days in a criminal case. And it's important that you reach out and get very specific help. Everyone is on the internet after a criminal case, searching their penalties, the laws. How could they resolve it without going to jail, usually, is one of the first searches people make. And it is important, and I understand why people want to be informed, but it's also very critical that you understand, don't spend too much time researching, because researching general information will never substitute for a call to an experienced defense attorney. Because your case is very fact specific, and where you are in the state, what county and city, the facts of your case, whether it includes special allegations in that case, perhaps a high blow, a minor in the car, an accident, criminal history, all of those factors cannot be conveyed on a website's chart of penalties. So there is really no substitute for just that direct call to a defense attorney to ask, how can you help me? What will you do? And my answer to that is a criminal defense attorney, first and foremost, is looking at all of the evidence the state has against you. They're going to look at police reports, breathalyzers, witness statements, and really whether there was probable cause to even have your initial arrest. So it's very important that you have somebody who can spend that time and has that experience to really go through all of that, what's called discovery from the state. And the defense attorney is clearly looking for any violation of your rights, and he or she may be looking to see if a dismissal of your case is warranted. But at the very least, perhaps a reduction in charges or a reduction in fines and other penalties, including the ignition interlock device that you will have to install in your car. Perhaps you won't, or perhaps it'll be a shorter time period. In addition to seeking the dismissal or a reduction in charges, a defense attorney is going to try at the very outset of the case, at your arraignment, to seek the least restrictive conditions of release. Conditions of release are conditions that the judge will impose on you while the case is pending. And you can learn more about that as you scroll through our DUI page and the videos we have embedded in there. But first and foremost, realize that's a big step in your case. It's a very critical step. It kind of sets the tone. And the judge is really looking at whether you are a risk to the community or a flight risk. And we want that time, even if it's an hour. We want an hour with you before your arraignment. If you can pick up the phone and hire us, we want that hour to be able to help you do some proactive steps. And trust me, even in an hour, there are a few things you can do that can help your case start off on the right foot. So while I appreciate you are on our page and searching for information, please do not spend too much time seeking general information, because the hours and certainly the days right after an arrest are really, really critical for a defense attorney in setting, kind of posturing of that case and putting you in the best light and giving you steps that you can take proactively to make sure that the resolution at the end of the case is the best we can get for you. So, well, again, I appreciate you watching our videos and checking out our page. Don't delay in just picking up the phone. It is the reason that we offer free consultations in our area. If your case is in our area, we want the opportunity to tell you, yes, we can help you, or we are not the best fit. And if we aren't the best fit, or your case isn't in a court where we practice, we will certainly do our best to help you find a very experienced DUI attorney in Western Washington who can help you. So there really is no risk to you. Just pick up the phone and take that step. And of course, you can continue to scroll on our website. I think we have some great information, and we hope to always inform our clients general information. But again, the best thing you can do is pick up the phone and get the information that will help you in your specific case.